Introducing Ascend Pediatrics, a bold step forward in congenital heart disease management. Built for the enterprise, it delivers precision, clarity, and control. Cath reporting hasn't kept pace until now. Modernized intelligent features are unlocking a new era in the Cath lab. Ascend Pediatrics streamlines the pre-Cath workflow by giving providers the option to automatically pull in history. So in this example, I've automatically populated my indication for the study directly from my EMR system, as well as my patient history from a prior echo. In this case, the patient presents with a patent ductus arteriosus that was diagnosed neonatally, and they're here in the Cath lab for a PDA closure. I've also pulled in anatomic relationship information from my prior echo, so this allows me to pre-populate information I may be interested in for my Cath report, as well as working in combination with my history to automatically filter me to the relevant Mullins diagram selections if this is my first time selecting a congenital diagram. However, in this case, I pulled a diagram that was selected on the prior echo, getting critical context fast while avoiding duplication. As I navigate to the Diagrams tab, you'll see an example of our modernized, reimagined Mullins Atlas diagrams, redrawn in a clean, intuitive format, and we've also expanded the original Mullins Atlas to add additional diagrams to represent newer surgeries and repairs. You'll see hemodynamic measurements populate the diagram automatically, saving time and ensuring accuracy. I can add, resize, and edit devices seamlessly to reflect the unique anatomy and interventions of each patient. So in this case, I'm going to add a PDA closure device. And after adding my PDA closure device, you'll see that on the right-hand side, that's represented on my post-procedure diagram, along with relevant hemodynamic measurements. And my pre-procedure diagram is also available as well, along with relevant hemodynamic measurements prior to the procedure. I can also make many other edits to my diagrams, such as drawing arrows, conduits, lines, erasing particular structures on the diagram, drawing additional structures onto the diagram, making annotations, and deleting a single item or clearing the entire canvas and starting over with the blank diagram. Thanks to scalable SVG formatting, you can zoom, pan, and erase with ease, making diagramming faster and more precise than ever before. Structured reporting tabs are organized segmentally, making it easy to navigate anatomy and find exactly what you need during the workflow. So in this case, I'll navigate to my PDA and I'll add some information about my PDA closure. So in this case, I had a successful closure of a type A PDA. And after I click that information, you'll see it's populated multiple sentences with one click regarding my procedure. The Quick Notes library allows providers to build and save custom templates, making it easy to drop in frequently used phrases and findings to keep reporting fast, consistent, and effortless. In this case, I specifically created my own custom summary that I've saved in the past regarding a successful PDA closure. And I'll simply utilize this like dot phrases in Epic by typing the name, preceding a dot, and I'll be able to quickly populate my preferred summary. Stop settling for outdated tools. The future of pediatric Cath reporting is here, and it's going to change everything. Challenge the norm, demand better, and discover it today.